Hello everybody, my name is Chris and I'm going to review my Kobalt 40 volt max cordless snow thrower. We're going to hop right into it here with me using it. This is right after that crazy snowstorm that hit Ontario on January 17th where we got approximately 2 feet of snow. As you can see, I'm literally jamming the snow thrower into the snowbank and it's still fighting to throw it. Eventually I do get it to clog, but as you can see, it takes a beating. The proper way to do it is to go over it on top of the snowbank like I do here, where it just smoothly spits it out and then you just run back over what you ramped on. As you can see, it's having no issues with this snow, and it just powers through it. It's not the biggest or the strongest, but it's reliable. I finally clogged it there. As you can see, that took a little bit of time. So, as you can see, it's a strong, versatile machine that just keeps trying and trying and serves your needs pretty well. I would definitely buy this machine or a more powerful one. I wouldn't go any lighter. I'm sure you can get them on sale right now. This model's about 2 years old. I've had to do no maintenance to it other than charge the battery, and it serves me every time I try to use it. Here's the path I cleared and my dogs. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Like and click subscribe if you enjoyed this video.